Are you tired of freestyle searching to find that same product you always buy? Is organizing your warehouse or truck overwhelming? Looking to build a cart quickly on the job site? Introducing QuickScan. With QuickScan, using OneSource's mobile app, you can easily reorder that same product over and over again. Just click, scan, and check out. It's that easy. If you haven't already, make sure to download the OneSource app off your mobile's app store. Please keep in mind, you must be a OneSource account holder to log into your online or mobile profile. Make sure to reference our How to Register video if you need help creating your account. Using the same login as your desktop or computer, type your username and password, and just like that, you're in. Welcome to the power of OneSource in the palm of your hand. Everything from My Account dashboard carries right over. All my product lists, active shipments, and frequently purchased items all on my mobile. You can find the links to all these helpful videos below. Today, we're going to focus on this QuickScan functionality, which is only found on our mobile app. Using the bottom toolbar, navigate to the QuickScan icon and start scanning our beautiful custom product labels and booklets provided to you. QuickScan labels and booklets come with colorful images, OneSource part numbers, short and full product descriptions, package quantities, and custom product quantity minimums and maximums, so you can always know when to scan to reorder. You may be wondering, which full list of items should I start scanning with? Well, we can take your full material list and cross-reference to our OneSource part numbers, or by using OneSource's powerful digital tools, isolate your inventory from our most frequently purchased items widget and create a custom booklet or set of labels of your purchase history from the past 18 months. With QuickScan labels, imagine walking down your newly organized warehouse aisles, easily distinguishing the product with colorful product images and loading your cart with a simple scan. Say you don't have a warehouse, no problem. QuickScan labels are versatile. Implement OneSource's scan labels for your truck, and you just digitize your work van by scanning and dropping a will call order within seconds. And it doesn't stop there. With a custom personalized booklet, kick your feet up at your desk and have all your material QR codes to scan in one spot on the go. This digital solution is a must-have. Fill out the request form below, and it will transform your buying immediately. Thanks for your time, and get quick scanning.